In this video, you will learn how to replace suspension arms in a few steps. First, scan the QR code on the Cetum packaging to read the installation instructions. Clean the bolts and nuts, which are to be removed with a wire brush. Then remove the split pin and spray penetrating oil on all nuts, which will be removed. Loosen them with a ring spanner and impact wrench if you can reach them. Pull the bolt out of the steering knuckle. Use a chisel to knock open the groove in the steering knuckle. Pull the ball joint loose with a crowbar between the steering knuckle and the track control arm, as straight down as possible to avoid tension. Then loosen the bolts and nuts on the silent blocks. You can do this with an impact wrench. Remove the old track control arm. Here you can clearly see a crack in the rubber of the silent block and play on the ball joint. Unpack the new track control arm and check that everything is in order, no damage, and the part number is correct. Compare with the old arm. If everything is correct, install the new suspension arm. Secure the bolts and nuts to the silent blocks, but do not tighten those on the horizontal silent block yet. You can tighten the vertical silent block to the torque specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Clean the contact surface of the steering knuckle and apply some grease to the dust cover. Insert the ball joint pin into the steering knuckle and fit the bolt and nut to secure it. Tighten as specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Then put the split pin back in place. Refit the wheel and tighten the wheel bolts by hand. Lower the car until the wheel just touches the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts crosswise to the torque specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Then lower the car completely until it rests on its own weight. Once the car is resting on its wheels, tighten the bolt on the horizontal silent block as specified by the vehicle manufacturer. This prevents preload and premature failure of the silent block. The repair is now complete, and the car just needs to be aligned. Check out the Cetum YouTube channel for more instructional videos.